4 countries in 1 month. Girl, you are insane. Sobrang yaman mo. Ganun talaga kapag mayor yung daddy ko. Just kidding. E di nag-business class ka na naman. Of course. Pero nagkaroon ng problema nung una, nakaka-stress. My dad's assistant was so stupid. I think she was trying to sabotage me. She put me in the economy class. Economy. Can you even imagine that? I mean, I'm not sitting in the economy like a regular person. Duh. Pero di ba may private jet kayo? Bakit hindi na lang yun yung ginamit nyo? Private jet? Oh. Daddy, please, let me use our private jet. Denise, hindi nga pwede. Mainit mga mata sa akin ng mga kasamahan ko. Parang natunugan na kasi nila na I didn't even distribute the donations that I got from them ng bagyo. Sa mata nila, binulsa ko lahat ng mga yun. Which is true. Kinwento mo kaya sa amin ni Mommy yun? Tapos diba, Daddy, I got a quarter of that donation. At hindi nila pwedeng malaman yun. You know what? Maglaylo ka muna sa mga travels or sa pag-shopping mo. Stay away from social media as well dahil marami sumasabit ng politicians dahil sa mga stubborn children nila. Kainis naman! But don't worry, itadivert ko yung attention nila by visiting the orphanage. Kailangan ko muna magpakitang tao. Makinig ka muna sa akin ngayon, Denise. Dad! End of discussion. The private jet was not available kasi parang may naayos yata. But anyway, I was so mad sa assistant talaga. Parang gusto niya akong pahirapan. Just be grateful na nakakapag-travel ka. Also, upgrades are limited. Baka she put you in the economy class kasi naubusan na. Stupid pa rin siya. And Jamie, for the love of someone, this is my grateful face, okay? So manahimik ka na lang if you don't have anything nice to say. You're always trying to be a bad friend, right, Kara? I'm not trying to be a bad friend. I'm just saying na hindi lahat ng tao nakakapag-travel. Also, your dad's assistant was just doing her job. Oh, please, Jamie, don't preach to me. Hindi ko fault na my life is better. That's just how the world works. Some were born to suffer. Some were born, well, like me. Yeah, born with the taxpayers' money. Ano sabi mo? My dad works hard for the city. Works hard, wala nga natatapos sa projects under his leadership. Be for real, Denise. Dad, ikaw ba tinutukoy sa news? Ayon sa kasalukuyang investigasyon, limpak-limpak na pondo ng lungsod na nakalaan para sana sa infrastruktura, kalusugan at social programs ay umano'y nailihis sa mga pribadong account na konektado sa mayor ng lungsod na to. Nagkalat ang mga peking dokumento, ghost projects at kaliwat kanan sa buhatan ng mga kontratista. Wala pa ring pahayag mula sa tanggapan ng mayor habang nananawagan naman ang mga mamamayan ng pananagutan. Jessica Rivera, nag-uulat. Dad, paano na ako? Paano na kami nila, Mommy? It's also all over the social media. Binubuli na nila ako sa comment section. Akala ko ba walang makakaalam? Don't worry, anak. I'll fix this, okay? Babayaran ko lang sila and besides, kakampi natin yung gobyerno. Lilipas din yan, matatabunan na ibang issues, makakalimutan ng mga tao. I've been trying to call you but you girls are not answering the phone. My gosh, I'm glad I found you here. I'm in comfort. Kasi hindi maganda yung morning ko. Like, people are so gullible. They are all over my comment section saying my family is corrupt. Naniniwala sila masyado sa fake news. Bias naman itong mga cheap journalists na to. Hindi ba? Jamie. Huh? Hindi ba totoo? Stop being clueless. Aware ka. Alam yung lahat yan. Tsaka hindi lang yan sabi-sabi, Denise. May audit, may documents, may evidence. Alam mo, Jamie, kontrabida ka talaga. These so-called documents are probably for my dad's enemies. You know how politics works and my dad is respected. Hindi siya corrupt. Kaya lang naman nagtagal yung daddy mo kasi binibili niya lahat ng mga dapat magsalita. Officials, media, and even voters. And you? Isa kang poster child ng nakaw na yaman. Yung mga relief goods at mga donations na para sa mga nasalanta, ayun. Napunta dyan sa closet nyo as designer bags, designer shoes, and designer clothes. Yung kasadang dapat tapos na, ayun, binabahanan naman, sira na naman kasi bulok yung materials na ginamit eh. You think you're better than me? Oo, kasi hindi naman kami kumakain ng isang pagkain na galing sa nakaw. Hindi kami natutulog sa isang kama na binili gamit yung perang dapat pambayad sa ospital. Hindi kami bumabiyahe or nagta-travel gamit ang isang private jet na galing sa buwis ng isang taong naglalakad araw-araw dahil walang maayos na public transportation. Jamie, you're so cruel. Alam mo, Denise, kung iniisip mo na luxury defines you, wake up. You're not powerful. You're pitiful. You only shine just because your family steals the electricity. Kapag bumagsak na yung pamilya mong corrupt, especially your dad, you'll be left with nothing but the shame of his name. Piece of advice, Kara. Pwede ka pang magbago. Pwede pang magbago isip mo. Don't let her buy you. Kara? Grabe naman. Multo ba ako? Estatwa? Kanina pa ako nandito.
Taginip ba yan?
Hindi mo ako pinapansin. Ano bang ginagawa mo? Ganyan. Di mo wala ng pag-asa. Dapat may panalo niya to. Ayun yan. Let's go, let's go. Eh? Nanonood ka lang pala? OA mo naman. Yes! Oh my gosh! 4-2! Black versus M. Reverse whip, baby! Babaw naman ang kaligayahan mo. Sobrang sayo mo dahil dyan. Mas okay pa nga yung ibang nilalaro kong game eh. Yes!
Hindi nila inaasahan ng mga atake ko na namumulaga, namumulaga.
Patsin yan.
Mamamata na parang bata, kalabawasak sa kada-atak. Lumalago pa ka mga katawan ng mga kalaban na
Ganda.
nakatapat pa siya. Kami yung pag-asa ng Pinas. Kami yung pag-asa ng Pinas. Kami yung pag-asa ng Pinas. Tapang ay likas, lakad matigas.
Ay, ewan, bahala na. Ang ganda ng song na to. Diba? Tapos idagdag mo pa itong pinapanood ko. Sobrang lupit ng reverse whip.
Kami yung pag-asa ng Pinas. Tapang ay likas, lakad matigas. Para sa bigas.
Okay, ulit nga, Luna. Narinig mo ako. Narinig kita, pero gusto ko isipin na guni-guni ko lang yung narinig ko. Pero just by looking at your eyes, mukhang seryoso ko eh. Hindi kita mahal, James. Seryoso ako. Sa 3 buwan nating relasyon, never mo ako minahal. Sinubukan ko naman, pero sa lahat ng mga pinakita mo, walang totoo ron? Meron. Pues ano? Nung pinakita ko sa'yo itong bagong phone ko na Realme C75, totoong-totoo kaya yung claims nito. Talaga?
All-around waterproof, fully dust-proof, and kayang-kayang high-pressure water jets. Kaya pang makasurvive kahit mag-swimming ka.
May massive battery na 4-year long-lasting durability and massive storage. May RAM expansion pad that ensures enough space for running and switching between apps and games smoothly. Galing pala talaga niyan ah. At least alam mo na kung ano yung totoo at hindi sa relasyon natin. Thank you ah. Na-convince mo tuloy akong bumili. Available to sa Realme Philippines TikTok Shop and other e-commerce platforms. Shop and use well, James. Thank you, Luna. May totoo rin pala sa mga pinakita niya eh. Magaling siya mang sales talk. Broken-hearted ako ngayon pero at least may bago akong phone.
Hello, my name is Michelle. I have been kidnapped. Can you stop pointing the fucking gun at me? It's making me nervous.
Sorry.
To ensure my safe return home, please pay us £1 million. £1 million. Is that it? Is that what you think I'm worth?
Hindi naman ho sa ganun, ma'am.
No, I'm not having that. That's fucking ridiculous. That's insulting.
Sige ho, tatawag ulit kami sa pamilya niyo.
To ensure my safe return home, please pay us £500 million. It's a bit more like it.
We did a great job, pre.
What a shithole, honestly. You've got all these guns and everything, but I ain't seen a Hoover in sight.
Di sorry.
Oh my god, is that a rat?
Saan yung daga? Saan? Sandali nga. Bakit parang kami yung takot sa'yo, ha? Manimik ka nga.
Annoying. Haya! You're teasing me again. It's Haya.
Haya! Mas gusto ko yun para alam mo na ako yung tumatawag sa'yo.
So, if may ibang tumawag sa akin ng ganyan, magsaselos ka ba?
Bakit naman ako magsaselos? Gusto ba kita?
Gusto mo ba ako, Jake? Ayan, gustong-gusto mo akong inaasar, pero kapag ikaw naman yung inasar ko, you're being like this. You're being silent.
Eh kasi, yung pagkagusto ko sa'yo, secret lang yun.
You should have told me that.
Nahiya ako eh.
Jake, I don't want you to hide more secrets from me, okay? Because the only secret that I want is from the newest Skull Panda Tell Me What You Want series. Popmart is finally celebrating their 14th anniversary live with you this November 16 to November 18, 2024. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Come shop with me and let's be happy together!
Kahit hindi mo naman ako kasama, masaya ka na.
Ha?
Haya pangalan mo, so...
Haya! Ang corny mo, Jake. Ayoko na. Hindi na kita gusto.
Huh?
Just kidding! You're so cute. Pakurot nga! Tigil! Girl, you have chika.
Ako talaga? Bago yan ah.
Oo, may chika ka talaga kasi ano tong nababalita ko? Hiwalay na ka ni Christopher. So totoo nga. Ano nangyari? You guys were together for 6 years. We tried. Anong we tried? We tried to fix our relationship pero hindi na talaga namin alam paano na ulit ayusin. Babe, okay ka lang? I feel like you're being distant these past few days.
I'm okay.
Are you sure? Alam ko namang hindi ka talaga okay. I can feel it. You can tell me anything, babe. I just want us to communicate again.
I'm fine, Jamela. Just going through a burnout from work.
Okay.
Morning.
Morning.
Jamela. Are we okay?
Yeah. I think so.
I don't think we're okay.
Parang hindi na nag-work, Christoph eh.
Ba't mo hawak yung pouch ko, Wendell? Hindi ko kaya hawak. Nakita ko. O ano naman kung hawak ko yung pouch mo? May ninakaw ka, no? Grabe ka, Jane. Hindi naman porket asot pusa tayo palagi, ganyan din sasabihin mo sa akin. Mali ko ba? Baka may tinago ka or something. Di i-check mo kung may ninakaw ako or tinago ako. Nagnakaw ka ba ng lippy for your crush? Ano to? Ano to? Wala naman akong ganito ah. Bagong release yan ng Easy. Easy? As in, Easy? Oh, the Mousse Lip Tint.
This mousse lip tint is a velvety cream that has a velvet finish, smooth, and has a plush texture that blurs the lips. It leaves a sheer and subtle stain that is easy to remove.
So wala kang ninakaw or kinuha? Wala, may nilagay lang. Yan yung nilagay ko. Bakit tatlo to? Kasi I hate you, ganun. Hindi tatlo yan kasi may promo yung Easy from September 20 to September 26 sa Orange app na kapag bumili ka ng 3 lip tints, you get 1 free Bare Lip Hugger. So, nasan yung lip hugger? Ito. Ang cute! May kasamang charms tapos may t-shirt pa silang merch. Sa akin to lahat? Oo, kasi diba favorite mo yung Easy tapos napadaan akong mall tapos nakita ko yan. Di bumili ako. Pero bakit? Bakit? Kasi nga... Crush mo ako? Crush ako ng mortal enemy ko at hindi lang yun. Binigyan niya pa ako ng bagong release from Easy. So ano nang tawag sa atin? Magkaaway pa rin, no? Kaaway mo ako na may gusto sa'yo. I've been in denial for months and I just can't help but to like you even more, so good luck with the relationship, I guess. Anong relationship? Hindi pa nga kita gusto. Crush pa lang kita. Thank you, Rito. Kinilig ako. Dapat lang. Bilang pambawi sa sinabi mong may ninakaw ako. I'm sorry, okay? Ikaw nga yung may ninakaw dyan eh. What? Puso ko.
Jessica ay dadaan. OMG, wait, do I look fresh? Do I smell fresh? Oh, I was born ready nga pala. Hi, Clyde!
Bango. Hi, Jess. How are you?
Doing great. Crush ko pa rin. Crush are later, so, kailangan unahan sa jeep. Right, Yana? Right?
Sino hanap?
Hi, Clyde.
Iba yung amoy ngayon, pero ang bango pa rin. Ano sadya?
Pinapabigay ni Mrs. Soriano itong mga papers. Wala kasi siya later sa class niyo, kaya pinasuyo niya na sa akin.
Thank you.
Welcome. Jessie, Clyde. Ulit? Malapit na.
Oh, okay ka lang? Ang bango mo naman.
Ganun talaga kapag may bangong ganap ready.
Sa amoy mo pa lang nakikilala na kita. Kahit iba-iba yung scents mo everyday. Iba eh. Ang bango mo.
Louis and Pearl Scent Shop ba naman yung cologne ko eh? Sino hindi mababanguhan dito?
Kahit ano pang okasyon, mood, and days man yan, kayang-kaya maging ready for any ganap with Louis and Pearl Scent Shop. Ikaw na lang mamimili kung anong gagamitin mo. You wanna have a chill Monday? Go for Louis and Pearl Scent Shop cologne and ice water that gives off that cold burst of citrus and mint that keeps you smelling fresh and clean for the laid-back days. Date with your crush, sagot yan ni Louis and Pearl Scent Shop cologne in pink passion. Gives off that sweet vibe na girl next door. May pupuntahang concert, mag Louis and Pearl Scent Shop miss and wish scent, so it leaves off a long-lasting memory. There are also available scents for men.
Makabili nga yan. Ang dami pagpipilian eh. Nakaka-fresh, nakaka-lift ng mood, tapos parang I can carry it everywhere.
Madami nga, pero at the end of the day, I will still choose you.
Huh?
I will choose you to pick my next scent kasi baka sa susunod matipuhan mo na ako tapos maging tayo na ano ba itong mga pinagsasabi ko?